In this video, I want to show you how to change Wi-Fi on your Eufy camera. This is the Eufy SoloCam A20 Outdoor Wireless Camera. And to change the Wi-Fi, the first thing you want to do is to remove it from the base. So you want to hold it this way and unscrew this one out, the camera itself. So you can unscrew it out carefully. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is to get your phone. You want to get your phone where you have the Eufy app installed, okay? So the next thing you want to do is to go over to your Wi-Fi settings. So you want to make sure your phone is connected to your new Wi-Fi. So connect your phone to your new Wi-Fi. Now let's go back to the Eufy app. Now open the Eufy app. Okay. And now you want to tap the three dots here. And then tap the settings icon. Okay. Now tap general. So you can see Wi-Fi connection right here. So tap this and tap Wi-Fi setup. So you can see your new Wi-Fi here, the one connected to your phone. So what you want to do next is to enter your password. Tap next. So what you want to do is to get your camera now, and you want to press and hold the sync button here for about 2 seconds. Okay, so it's flashing blue, meaning it's in setup mode. So what you want to do next is to tap next here and tap OK. So you want to scan the QR code. So get your phone and you want to place this about 20 cm away. So to scan the QR code.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
Okay, let's wait.
Setup was successful.
Okay, so you can see changed Wi-Fi successfully. So you can tap done. So that's how to change Wi-Fi on your Eufy camera. So what you want to do now is to get your camera back to where it is mounted and screw this in. So that's how to change Wi-Fi on your Eufy camera. So I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.